Welcome to the step-by-step user guide on how to use AT&T Business Fiber in CableFinder. In this video, we will guide you through the process of utilizing CableFinder to access API-driven serviceability, pricing, contract generation, and order placement for AT&T Business Fiber services. First, type a business name or address into the search bar. The results page will generate the provider name, the serviceability description, the anticipated installation timeframe, the max speed, and available products. AT&T standalone POTS and VoIP cannot be ordered through CableFinder. If the serviceability description is green, users can click Configure Pricing to access the pricing catalog. If the serviceability description is red, Request Pricing will be displayed to tell users to engage with their TSD's back office team for additional solutions. Toggle on the Internet option. POTS and VoIP options will be grayed out until Internet is selected. Select the main services dropdown to see the available speeds. Anything with an asterisk will automatically toggle on as a required selection. If the services selected are eligible for a discount, it will automatically apply. If eligible for a Visa gift card, the amount will display in the shopping cart details. If applicable, add POTS up to 10 lines or VoIP up to 6 lines to your order. As you noticed earlier, when you toggled on Internet, a shopping cart appeared on the right-hand side of the screen. As you made any additional adjustments or added on services, the shopping cart also updated in real time, keeping a running total. Generate a quote by entering the business name in the customer name field and a quote name. You can also choose to email the quote, which is optional. Be sure to label the quote as specifically as possible for easy reference in the searches and quotes dashboard. The quote will download as a PDF. Click Place Order to proceed with entering customer information. Enter customer information to generate the LOA. CableFinder does not store personal information. Information is collected solely to send AT&T the order details. Then it is purged from the system. Enter voice configuration details, including Yellow Pages classification heading and Yellow Pages listing name. Select voice configuration option for each line required. Enter chosen 4-digit PIN, select secret question and answer, and then enter alternate contact number for installation. After completing customer information fields, you can choose to save and send the LOA. This feature is integrated with DocuSign. Or you can choose to save and download the LOA for a wet signature or a different preferred signature platform. This step simply saves the order details. An order is not yet placed until a signed LOA is uploaded back into CableFinder. Your AT&T SPID is loaded into CableFinder and will automatically carry over onto paperwork. Reach out to your TSD if your SPID is incorrect or missing. After the LOA is signed, go back into CableFinder and upload it to officially place the order. Whether you gathered a signature in person or via DocuSign or another signature platform, upload the signed paperwork in CableFinder to ensure your order is sent to your TSD. Select installation times and enter any additional notes for the order. Once submitted, the AT&T order will be officially placed into the system. The CableFinder user and TSD back office team will receive the following emails. 1. An email from CableFinder with order details and a copy of the uploaded document. 2. an email directly from AT&T with a confirmation number and a concierge number if you need to follow up on the order. Thank you for watching our step-by-step user guide. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your TSD. If you don't have CableFinder, go to www.cablefinder.net today and request a demo. Happy selling, everyone.